The body of a missing man found today in Yavapai County. 74-year-old David Otero went missing on Tuesday after driving around a barricade into a flooded wash. Fox 10's Brian Webb has more from Cordis Lakes.
The discovery was made more than 6 miles from this spot where the car was originally swept away, that low point in the road behind me. We managed to get some video of the rescue and recovery teams earlier today, some 80 trained volunteers working in shifts during the daylight hours. This is the general area where the body was found. It is rough terrain east of town, steep, rocky, and today fairly cold. And this is what it looked like on Tuesday, Big Bug Creek overflowing its banks. As we reported last night, Otero was with a 25-year-old who managed to escape, and a neighbor tried to rescue David Otero too without any luck. The car was found about a mile downstream, the doors and trunk ripped away, and all the glass gone. The condition of the car and the fact that Otero's body was found so far away shows you how strong the floodwaters were this week. Here is more on how the body was found.
About 7 miles down, the river kind of merges with the Agua Fria. And right in around that area, there's like a sandbar that developed through the flood. And his body was located on the sandbar. The search and rescue teams had to put wetsuits on to make it to him, get him off that sandbar, and then bring him onto shore, where we identified him as being Mr. Otero.
The body is with the medical examiner tonight to pinpoint the exact cause of death, and the sheriff's office wants to use this situation as another reminder: do not drive into floodwaters. In Cordis Lakes, I'm Brian Webb, Fox 10 News.